How's it going, everybody? Welcome to Omega Math Services, the last place where you look for math help. Today I'll be looking at a total of 20 SAT official questions, and I'll try to solve them in under 25 minutes. This is not meant to be a teaching session. This is just to show you how I would tackle the exam and where I would like you guys to be at one point. So that's I hope this video helps you get there. And if you see cuts or anything like that, it's not me cheating. It's just that the software either stops recording or it just cuts off. But the length of this video is the length it took me to solve these 20 questions. All right, so with that being said, good luck. Definitely share with your friends, and again, this is not a teaching session. This is just the level that I want you guys to reach, so you don't waste time. All right, so without any further ado, I'm going to begin. That's why I'm talking so fast. All right, number one, Salim wants to purchase tickets from a vendor to watch a tennis match. The vendor charges a one-time service fee for processing the purchases. Okay, the equation t equals 15m plus 12, the total number of, okay, in dollars will pay. Does the 12 represent? Well, it represents the one-time service fee. That's going to be B. All right, 2. A gardener buys 2 kinds of fertilizer. Fertilizer A contains, so A is 60% by weight, and fertilizer B, so 0.40 is B. Together, the fertilizer bought by the gardener contains a total of, so that whatever that is, it has to equals 240 pounds. Right away, look. This has the variables mix. This is not it. This is not it. The numbers are off. The only possible one is B. What is the sum of the complex numbers? Okay, the real part and the real part. So 2 plus 4 is 6. 8i plus 3i is 11i. There you go. In the equation above, P and T are constants. Which of the following could be the value of P? Alright, you should tell right away that these are perfect squares. So this factors into 2x plus 3, 2x minus 3. The value of P is 2. Okay. Which of the following is the graph of the equation y equals 2x minus 5 in the xy plane? Okay, the minus 5 lets me know that it'll intersect the y at a value of negative 5. This can't be it. This one definitely isn't. Here it does intersect that 5, and here it does, but the slope is positive, and it has to look kind of like that. So I know that the answer is D. There you go. Okay, if 2 over 3y and y equals 18, what is the value? Okay. First, I can solve for x, right? And x is going to be 2/3 times 18. Therefore, x equals to 12. 2 times 12 minus 3, that's 24. Minus 3 is 21. Okay, a bricklayer uses the formula N equals to 7LH to estimate the number of bricks and needed to build. Okay, and L feet long and H is height. Which of the following correctly expresses L in terms of NH? Okay, I know that N equals to 7LH. Divide everything, you get 7H. And so the answer is C. Table above shows some of the values of the function w and t for which of the values of x is w of x plus t of x plus equal to x. Okay, -1 plus -3, that gives us -4. 3 plus -1, that gives us +2, so the answer is B, 2. Okay, if the square root of x plus the square root of 9 equals to 64, what is the value of x? Okay, that's going to be x plus 3 equals to 8. Square root of x equals to 5. The only one that gives you that is the square root of 25 equals to 5. Therefore, the x is equals to 5. Next question. Okay, it says Jane is preparing for a bicycle race. His goal is to bicycle an average of at least 280 miles. So the average has to be greater than or equal to 280, okay, for 4 weeks. So he bicycles 240 the first week. Second week, he does 310. This third week, he does 320. And the first week, second. Okay, we don't know what x is, but whatever it is, it's divided by 4, right? Because it's the average, and it has to be greater than or equal to 280. You can cross multiply 4 times 280, and the only one that does that is D. Okay, 11. The vertex of the parabola in the xy plane above is 0. Which of the following parabola with the equation. Okay, since it's negative, we know it's gonna open downward. So this is not it, and this is not it because they open upward. The vertex is just B, comma C, so the answer is B. Okay, which of the following is equivalent to 4x squared plus 6x, 4x2? Okay, set up the division. Plus 6x. Okay, that's just going to be x. This is 4x squared plus 2x. You then have to subtract everything, and then so this turns into 4x and plus 1. And I don't even have to finish the rest. The reason being is because the only my answer is going to be an x plus 1, and then the remainder has to be divided by 4x over 2. Oh, sorry, my bad. I actually do have to finish. Okay, 4x. 1 times 4x is 4x plus 2. Subtract everything and you get a minus 2 here. So, yeah, the answer is D. In the equation above, t is a constant. If the following equation has no real solution, which of the following could be the value of t? Okay, here it's 2x squared minus 4x minus t. We have to use the discriminant formula, b squared minus 4ac, and that has to be less than 0. B is 16 minus 4 times 2 is 8 minus t, that makes it positive, has to be less than 0. Minus 16, 8t, t is less than negative 2, therefore it must be 11. If a b to the fourth equals 16, for positive integers a and b, what is one of the possible values of b? Okay, I know that a to the fourth is 16, so what b divided by 2 to the fourth, b can equals to 16. Okay, here 17, cross multiply, 4t equals to 15, t equals to 15 over 4, 18. You guys should know that this is a Pythagorean triple. That's a 10. So we know that 6 is to 10 as 18 is to... So what does it say? In the figure above, BD is parallel to AE. What is the length of CE? Okay, CE is X. Why did I do this right away? It's because I know as soon as I see this, I think similar triangles. Okay, there's going to be 6x equals to 180. X equals to 30. Next. Okay, how many liters of 0.25 saline solution must be added to 3 liters of 10? Okay, that's going to take a while. Point A and B lie in a circle with radius 1. Arc AB has length pi over 3. What fraction of the circumference? Okay, what is circumference? 2 pi r. In this case, our circumference is just 2 pi because radius is 1. Okay, what I want to know is 2 pi times what number x gives us pi over 3, right? Like what part of how much of 2 pi do I have to use to get pi over 3? And so that's going to be 6 pi times x equals 2 pi. Divide both sides by 6 pi. You get that x is equals to 1/6. Okay, so that's the answer. X is 1/6. How many liters of 0.25 solution? 0.25 solution must be added, so I don't know what that, plus 3 liters of 0.10 equals to 15% saline solution, x plus 3.15 here. Okay, this is going to be 0.25x plus 0.30 equals to 0.15x plus 0.45. Do the math here, you get 0.10x. Here you would get equals to 0.10 and 0.15, and we get that x equals to 1.5. So with that being said, that was pretty much it.